do a quick video of the Galaxie 500. Things coming together rather nicely. Convertible top, it's going to get sent out for the convertible top here pretty soon. But the paint refinish turned out real good. Got all that overspray off, cleaned up the chrome. Obviously changed out those wire wheels for original hubcaps. Luggage rack cleaned up real nice. Got the overspray off the inside, the seats. '69 Galaxie 500 with a 429. $365 horse, 429. Purrs like a kitten. All new brakes. Hood still needs adjusted. New Monroe shocks. Looking good. Getting there.